Introduction. Hello everyone. My name is Leonor Salinas. Today I'm going to talk about digital reading in education. I will focus on an example called the editing activity. I'll explain its main features and share ideas for how we can adapt it in different situations. Why focus on digital reading? Digital reading is a big part of our lives. We read many types of text, like articles, blogs, and instant messages on computers, tablets, and phones. Reading online is different from reading a printed book. There are more distractions and it's easier to lose focus. Research shows that we sometimes understand less when we read on a screen. That's why we need new skills like checking if information is true and managing distractions. The editing activity future. Let me explain how the editing activity works. Students get a digital text such as an online article that has problems. The text might have missing facts, some bias or statements that are not clear. In groups, students look for these problems and talk about how to make the text better. They can use tools like Google Docs to work together and online fact-checking websites to check if the information is correct. This activity is not only about fixing language, but also about working as a team, thinking carefully and learning how to read digital information critically. Adapting the editing activity. This activity is flexible. Teachers can use different types of text like tweets, forum posts, or Wikipedia articles. Students can work together online using Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Fact-checking websites like Snoopers are helpful for checking facts. The focus can also change. Sometimes the goal is to fix grammar or make the text more accurate. Other times it's about correcting the tone or making the information easier to understand. For more practice, groups can exchange their edited text and give feedback to each other. Why this matters? Activities like this help us become active readers, not just passive readers. We learn to ask questions about what we read and to improve digital text. These are useful skills for real life, not just for school. We also practice working with others and using digital tools, which are important for our future studies and jobs. To sum up, the editing activity is practical and easy to adapt. It helps us build digital literacy and prepares us for today's digital world. Thank you for listening.